Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to stabilize your video in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here and by this menu right here where we can get started with creating our composition. So you'll be greeted here, so go ahead and enter in a name that you want to use for your composition, select the quality, fill out all the info, and after that click OK, and now we can get started. So the first thing we want to do guys is go ahead and open up the project or the video that we want to stabilize. So you're going to go ahead and into the upper left corner and click on the file option. And in the new menu that appears, you want to go ahead and find the import button. So you can either import the video that you want to stabilize from here or just go ahead and open up the project where the video is at already. So after opening it up, it's going to show up right here. And now we can get started with stabilizing it. So basically guys, what we want to use for stabilizing our video is the following. If you look at the right side of the screen, you can find a menu with all the options, and one of them is called Effects and Presets. So you want to go ahead and click on Effects and Presets. And after opening up Effects and Presets guys, now we can go ahead and find all the effects we can use, and we can use the search option. So we want to go to search and we want to search for stabilize. So as you can see guys, under this store is a warp stabilizer effect. The warp stabilizer effect is going to enable us to add a stabilization effect to our video. So you want to go ahead and add that to your project and get started with messing around with it, find the perfect options for your video, and you'll be able to stabilize it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.